remember that raining is considered to be a blessing from the great creator, and especially definitely for Mother Nature. In Native Americans, they say like it is actually the love of the sky and the earth, the heaven and earth. So I just have to wait for the rain, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you the other side of this campus. But you already have seen the university tower, the university center, and then also you have seen the art center, the landmark. Most of the part I was able to show you, but let's just wait, and hopefully the blessing, the rain will be over and I'll be able to walk more. Until then, remember, this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. This is your favorite show, for I am Sadha, and this is University of Dallas, Irving, Texas. This is inside the print and frame storage. I can see some print work, artwork here. When you walk a little bit more, lithography. I can see some plants inside. Wow, very nice work. Really nice campus. Innovation and great masterpiece comes from your free spirit. You're thinking from out of the box, not like ordinary. You have to be extraordinary in order to create your artwork, your music, your scientific ventures, and not necessary that everything we learn from the school, from our curriculum, helps us to do this. Sometimes it's just come from your inner talents, from your inner spirit, from your inner growth to be able to see the unseen. Nice. I'm actually in the art center still, and you can see this masterpiece art cap. I'm just waiting a little bit to the rain to come down, and I'll be able to show you the College of Business where I did my executive MBA. And also remember that obstacles doesn't mean anything. Obstacles, take the obstacles like your plus point to build your empire, to see it as a positive instead of seeing it as negative. The more obstacles you have, you remember, the more opportunities you have to grow, to build yourself inside and outside. So never be afraid of challenges, because challenges make us very strong and gives us this creative sense of our inner subconscious mind. All right, let me go and walk towards the business school. This is the art center. I see a big sculpture. Wow, wonderful. A really nice sculpture. It's been done by the students. See these frames? These frames are like the frames of life. Each frame values to be our wisdom, what we learn to go through our life, and if you can utilize these forces, this wisdom in the positive forces, you will be very successful, and you'll be able to create that you have your insight. This is your masterpiece, the pillar of your life, the inner pillar of power. All right, let's go see the more of this campus. Come with me. Now I'm walking towards the foundation building, Novinsky Art Foundations building. You can see some architecture here, some artifacts here. Wow. Awesome. Look at this red structure. University of Dallas campus. I am near the Foundation of Art building. This is really a beautiful campus. This is a school where I did my executive MBA program, College of Business. This is a wonderful campus, wonderful memories. And remember, never stop studying, educating, learning for the rest of your life. I'm actually just walking inside the campus. You can see also the